So today I'm going to show you a very simple little boogie woogie bass line that you can use to really impress your friends. It's a boogie woogie in C major, and we're going to start on this C. Your hand is going to be in a 5-finger position. Then we're going to move from the C position up to the F, and then the G, back down to the F, and back down to the C. So basically we're using the tonic note of C major. We're going to move to the subdominant, and then we're going to move to the dominant, back down to the subdominant, and then we're going to end on the C. So the notes that we're going to be using is the C, the E flat, which gives it the bluesy sound. Then you're going to resolve that blues sound and go to the normal E, and then we're going to go to the G. So basically we're just using all the notes except the D. Some people say yes, we are also using the D because it's a D sharp, but actually it's not a D sharp, it's a E flat. But we can argue about that for centuries, I'm sure. But this is how it goes. So we're going to go, okay, then you're going to move to the F position, do exactly the same thing. It's going to be the F, the A flat, the A, C, then you're going to move to the G, G, B flat, B, and then the D. Then you're going to go back to the F, and then back to the C. Okay, but we're going to use the 12-bar blues structure for this. So we're going to go, so how many times did I do it? I went 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I'm going to go to F. 1, 2, and I'm going to go back down to the C. Twice, and then I'm going to go up to the G. Twice. Now it doesn't really matter how many times you play it, as long as you do that basic sequence. What I normally find is if I do this 4 times and I go to the F and I do that 4 times, it becomes a little bit monotonous. So I would prefer that I just do it twice. Okay, so it's going to go. Sorry. Okay, so once you've practiced that basic pattern, then you need to practice it so that it moves much quicker, and then it really starts sounding cool. So go and practice that, and then I'll give you another boogie bass pattern that you can practice. Remember, you're going to start on the C and you're going to play a C, E flat, E, G. That's your pattern. And you're going to repeat that. And from there to there has got to be quite quick. Then you're going to go to the F position and do exactly the same thing. F, A flat, A, C. And then the G is going to be G, B flat, B, D. The best thing you can do is, instead of putting your hand in a normal white key 5-finger position, put your hand in this position. It's going to be a C, E flat, E, and then a G. Okay. And when I go to the F, I do exactly the same thing. Make sure my 3rd finger is on the A flat and my 2nd finger is on the A. And then it's G, make sure my 3rd finger is on the B flat and my 2nd finger is on the B. And there I've got my pattern. practice it, and then I'll give you another boogie bass tip next time. Enjoy.